No, not again. This is barbaric. This is barbaric. Why all this kind of nonsense has happened to the people of Southeast? What did the people of Southeast do to deserve this kind of atrocity that is happening? Why Nigeria government champion to wipe the people of Southeast out of this surface? What have we done? What is our crime? Why so finally Gumi have trained the people of Southeast to be fight against their own people? It have hardly happening. Have the war started? Putting the record straight so that the world will see what is happening from the people of what the Nigerian government is going against the people of the Southeast. What kind of this evil? What do we do to deserve this kind of atrocities and injustice? What is happening? Why all this pipe? Why all this pipe every day by day? All the God will avenge these innocent souls. They have just been wasted for not just reason. What is happening? What is going on? Please, my people, my heart is bleeding. I can't say anything much. Watch this video by yourself so that you see it by yourself, because tears, I have been crying. Please, what do to watch this video? Watch this video so that you will see what is happening for the Southeast. Yes, you that always supporting evil, watch this video so that I will know if your heart will not bleed over what is happening. Look at how innocent souls are wasting on a daily basis for just not just reason. Is a call for extermination, a call for war? An injustice for one is an injustice for all. If you keep know that because they have never reached to you, but someday it will surely happen to you. When Nigeria government happen to you, then you will know that Nigeria is not for you. Please watch this video. I don't want to talk much. Watch this video, my people.
Drag him to go. Now I come with that. Hey, heavy load, heavy duty, heavy duty. This is a heavy duty. Proceed, proceed, proceed.
Oh, God, go up here.
Proceed. Tie that one to join them. Now we not be them. Onye ara. Ndị IPOB, ndị ara, ndị ara. IPOB kilo na there. Ogedogiri ododo na IPOB. Biafra state. On day 5, on the call 40 state of Biafra. I tell you, sir, I want to join now. They no band away. Hey, no go, no, go. Hold on.
We don't hold on. We don't hold on.
If you run, shoot a man guy. Hey, stand here. Stand here, my friend. Hey, wait. Carry the bullet. Carry this bullet. Carry the bullet wait there for ground. Now shoot her. Shut up. You're the madman. Hey, wait. Leave me the ball. Come on, go down. Hey, go down.
If you run, we'll go shoot you.
Go down. Thunder fire you. Hey. Who be Papa Biafra? Go on, let them, my friend. Let them, my friend, in the crate. Thunder fire you. Let them. The crate, thunder fire you. Who is Papa Biafra?
Who be Papa Biafra? Now, what are they doing now? Who be Papa Biafra?
Who be Papa Biafra?
One guy.
Who be Papa Biafra?
Buy a denta.
Now, who be Papa Biafra? Who be Papa Biafra? In the crate, your father. Who be Papa Biafra?
He won't come back here. We'll catch him.
Who is Papa Biafra? Huh? Papa Biafra. Biafra kill you there. Biafra bokwage. Biafra bokwage. Where my rope? Mona bring my time. Umu ekwensu. Umu ojo ekwensu. Umu atulu.
If you stand up, I go bust your brain. If you stand up, I go bust your brain. How many people you don't match it? Now you get
Carry the dog. Carry the dog, man. Carry the dog. Carry on with the gun go. Umu ojo. He's looking first. Give me the phone. Call my phone.
looking better, baby. Look at me like that. Who kill your papa?
Come on here.
Bastard, don't kill my brother.
Come on.
Fire him, bastard. Don't kill my brother. Bastard people.
This is what we sign for. If you don't want peace, we will kill you so that Nigeria will get peace. Anybody when you need peace, we will kill them. When Nigeria get peace. No, we talk. Nigeria must get peace.